Hi there. The way I would utilize Lucid Spark would be exactly this format. I actually have this on a piece of paper currently that I pass out to the students. It's a two-column document where the students are going to be taking notes on a hearing video that's presented during class. And so on here, the directions I give to the students is that I want them to utilize their active listening skills to fill out each column pertaining to important objections and motions they hear during the actual video, and what to remind your attorney on the right hand side of the actual column. Now, typically students write this out on a tangible piece of paper, but this example here, it's a lot more feasible and it's a lot more visually appealing. I say that to say this because not only will I be telling the students exactly how to utilize Lucid, but what we want to do and what I will tell the students would be to utilize the post-it notes here to be able to create simple post-its on what they want to remind their attorney about. So if there's an important objection on a particular exhibit, say it's Exhibit A, and it's about a car picture, then there will be objection Exhibit A car picture. Or maybe it has to do with reminding the attorney about a particular maybe they need the actual client to show up for a hearing. So maybe we want to put on here that client appearance needed next week, and say we put a date here of 06/23, just for the sake of it. This will allow our students to not only utilize the cool interactive format, but also the students are able to take quick notes on this platform, and we can go ahead and discuss it during class. And instead of the students actually turning in the hard copy, the students can just go ahead and submit this and turn this in after they're done via Canvas. So I really like this opportunity to show the students another engaging way of submitting coursework.